All right, this video is going to be the second video of Autocad. This is just the first one went through the basics. It taught you how to navigate, zoom in, zoom out, move around. Talked about the symbols of the buttons. This one's going to talk about a little more advanced features. So number one, obviously, if you're going to be doing more advanced stuff, you're probably going to want to save it. There's a lot of buttons up here. Things are very simple. If you want to save it, you do not want to save it locally into your computer. You want to save it to your OneDrive. Your OneDrive is accessible from any computer in any building in the district. So when you go to here, you're going to go down to Save As the first time, and you are going to click right here, and you are going to find your OneDrive. So you're going to look through here, and it's going to say one, right, spelled O-N-E. Mine looks like this right here, but you're going to save it into your OneDrive. And then you can type in the name as whatever you want. There you go, and then you click the Save button right there, and then it saves into the OneDrive. Once you've saved it, it'll change the name at the top. It won't say that anymore. It'll say whatever you typed, you know. And then from there on out, all you have to do is that every time you're working on it, you click Save, and it'll save it into that exact place. So once you do a Save As and tell it to save in the OneDrive, then all you do is just have to click the Save button. When you go the next day, you'll just click here, and you'll go to Open, and then same thing will be true. You'll go here, you'll go to OneDrive, and you'll click on it, and then you'll open it from there. So that's how you do that. So first thing first is save. Second thing, there are a bunch of features down here. Obviously, the ones that are lit up are on. The ones that are not are off. So this will turn the grid on and off. This one will turn the snap on and off. So right now, when I go to draw a line, I can draw it from anywhere. When I turn this on, it will snap to the different grid points. So you can see it snaps to the grid point. As you're drawing the line, if it's giving you those random green suggestions, this is the button that turns those green suggestions on and off. So if you want those green suggestion marks, cool. If you don't, then you can turn that off, and it'll take off the green suggestions. There's a different way to change some of those suggestions. But mostly what I want to talk about today is using some of the other buttons. It's a little freezing up right now. There we go. These buttons right here. So almost all of these buttons work the same. Move, copy, stretch. I don't use stretch much, but rotate, mirror, scale. So these kind of 6 buttons all work the same. Basically what they're going to say is that you're going to have some kind of shape. Here's how I do it. There's a couple different ways to do it, but here's how I do it. I pre-select it so that it's all highlighted. Then I go up here and choose whatever button I want. Let's say it's move. So I pre-select it, I click move, I click on the object to grab it, and then I can move it around, and I click again to set it. Don't click and drag, okay? So you select it, click the button, grab it, and then you can move it around, okay? The same thing will be true for copy. Copy is basically just like moving, only it leaves the old one, right? Control Z or undo or redo up here, those buttons will work. The same thing if you want to rotate it. Highlight it, rotate it, grab it. You can grab it in the middle and spin it in place. Or you can rotate it, you can grab it out here and spin it all the way around like a clock. It doesn't really matter, but same thing. Scale will shrink it up or down. Mirror will flip it like a mirror image. Copy was like a rubber stamp, and move will move it around. If you do have things that cross over each other like this, the trim button works kind of cool because the trim can kind of trim away some of that extra stuff. So if you want some different things missing, there is a text button right here where you can figure out how to type different things. But for the most part, if you can build some simple shapes and then you can edit them by moving them around or whatever it may be, saving them, and understand some of these buttons down here, which is most likely this one, which is the green suggestions. This snaps to the grid, and then this shows the grid. Those should be your basics for kind of your second